Non lo so, parto, non lo so.
In vettura, in vettura. Vai.
Ma che cosa vai a fare allora?
Non lo so. Devo partire. Vado via.
Ma non stavi bene qua? Ciao, Moraldo. Ciao. Addio.
Addio, Guido.
Okay, everyone, gather round. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. This is a wonderful tradition we have that our family has sponsored over the years. The annual Forest Manor Thanksgiving dance. It's a chance to come together, be grateful for all we've been given, and all the positive things in life. Personally, when I look out and I see all these beautiful kids, you're ready to face the world. But it's not all fun and games, because you have an obligation to be the leaders in business, in finance, politics, to be CEOs and senators and presidents. You are the elite. I couldn't have more hope than I do at this very moment. Kids, would you like to hold my hand?